or do I write a business plan in an easy way?
Writing a business plan can be a daunting task. I want to give you 2 tips. One is look at one thing at a time. Break it down into manageable chunks for you. Don't worry about anything else that you have to do. Focus on one thing, get it done, and then move on to the second. The second one is think about why you actually want to write this business plan, why you're writing it in the first place. The first thing to look at is the market and competitor analysis. Check out my other video where I talk a bit more about it. Then define your mission statement. Then look at your product and services, and so on. Just go through bit by bit. It will make it all much more bearable. I have created a free business plan template that you can download using this link. If you need any help creating your business plan, let me know. Send me an email, hello@creativestartupacademy.com. I've helped lots and lots and lots of people to write valuable business plans that they could use for competitions, to get investment, or just to get clearer on their business idea. And every single one I worked with said, you know what? It wasn't so bad in the end and was actually quite easy. One of the main reasons why they said that is because obviously I helped them, but also because they focused on one thing at a time. And don't forget to join our Creative Startup Academy community. You can connect with other entrepreneurs around the world, post your challenges, and get support from the whole community and myself. You get links to my free webinars, lots and lots of free resources that you can download. You get book recommendations. You might be able to find your next business partner on the platform. In addition to that, you get inspiration for entrepreneurs, more frequently asked question videos like this, and you get exclusive discount to all my online courses. So don't wait any longer. Join the Creative Startup Academy community. I'll see you there.